Can an employee forfeit their annual leave days if they have not used it? The long and short of it is that yes, they may forfeit their annual leave days if they have not used it 6 months after the end of their annual leave cycle. Where do we see this in case law? We see this by looking at the three cases. The first one being Ludick versus rural maintenance, where Mr. Ludick worked for rural maintenance for about 27 months and he had not taken any annual leave, and the leave that was owed to him was about 65,000 rand. But his employment contract had clearly stated that any unused leave would lapse after a specified period. So therefore, Mr. Ludick could not be paid out the 65,000 rand that he believed was owed to him. In plain English, annual leave isn't a savings account. Employees are supposed to take the annual leave for purposes of rest and recovery. And then the next one is Hartley versus SMD Trading Group, where the employee had a balance of 73 days annual leave, and the leave that was not taken within 6 months after the end of each cycle is forfeited as a matter of law. The next one is Misra versus Ithala Limited. And in this case as well, it emphasizes that leave cannot continue to accumulate indefinitely, and the employee was only awarded payment of 7.75 leave days rather than the much larger amount which the employee had initially claimed. So statutory leave, to reiterate, does not accumulate forever, being annual leave. So the policy cannot override the BCA 6-month protection. So the 6-month protection remains in place, that after 6 months, as a matter of law, any unused annual leave will be forfeited at the end of the 6-month period after the end of the annual leave cycle.